In this part of our MetaTrader training series, we'll take a closer look at the charts. We'll explore how to use them effectively. First, let's open a chart. By right-clicking on the chart, we can modify various chart settings. For instance, let's change the time interval. If we select the 1-minute option here, all the charts will display in 1-minute intervals. Another feature is the ability to change the chart type. You can see the bar charts option. You can also view them as candlestick and line chart. It is possible to change all three of these different data from here. There's also a feature called Docked. When you click it, the chart opens in a separate window. You can move this window to another screen. This makes the chart window somewhat independent from the MetaTrader platform. Clicking Docked again will embed the chart back into the main window. The auto-scroll feature is another useful tool. When activated, the chart will automatically scroll to the right as new price data comes in. As a new candle forms, the chart will gradually shift to the left. Another useful tool is Chart Shift. When selected, the chart shifts slightly to the left, leaving a space on the right side. This space can be used for drawing market predictions. With the Zoom In feature, you can enlarge the chart, and with the Zoom Out feature, you can reduce the chart. You can also use the magnifying glasses on the toolbar to do this. If you want to view multiple charts simultaneously, clicking the square icon on the toolbar will split the screen into different chart views. This allows you to monitor 3 to 4 different charts at the same time. To add an indicator to a chart, go to the Insert tab, select Indicators, then Trend, and finally, Moving Average. Similarly, you can add support and resistance levels and vertical time markers from this menu. You can also place trend lines from here. Right-clicking and selecting Object List will display all the objects on the chart. You can remove any that you no longer need. To change the chart's colors, right-click and select Properties to access all color settings. For example, we want to work on a white template and prefer that the grid lines in the background do not appear. Let's adjust the colors of the indicators to blue and a bit thicker. If you want to apply these changes to all charts, you can right-click, select Save Template, and save your settings. When you open a new chart, it will display with the default settings. By right-clicking and selecting the Save Template from the Templates tab, you can apply your customized settings. You can also add multiple indicators to the chart simultaneously. We'll cover this in more detail in upcoming videos. See you in the next video.